Hey wonderful beings, my name is Maya. I'm a therapist, writer, and spiritual teacher. You're watching Mindful Rise Reminder. In this episode, I want to share a few tips for you how to live your best life. Just focus on your priorities and passions and do what you love. Surround yourself with positive people. Take care of physical and mental health and practice gratitude and appreciation for what you have. Live in the present moment and enjoy the little things. Learn to say no to things and people also that don't align with your goals and priorities. Develop a strong sense of self awareness and understand your beliefs. And also, thank you for watching Mindful and Rise Reminder every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Let's continue our conversation. So, see you tomorrow in the next video.